Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, QuickSolvers. Here we want to find log of 2 times x minus 1 to the base 8, where log of 2 times x squared plus 1 to the base 3 minus log of x plus 2 to the base 3 equals 1. I believe the difficulty level of this question is medium to hard, and it's a good question for those preparing for GRE or GMAT. Okay, let's dive in. Well, in the first step, I'll try to somehow simplify this following the rule that says log of a to the base b minus log of capital B to the base b equals log of capital A divided by capital B to the base b. So if we have the same bases here and here, then we can simplify this such an expression and write it like this, okay? That means I can rewrite this as log of 2 times x squared plus 1 over x plus 2 to the base 3 equals 1. And the second rule that I'm going to apply here is that if we have log of a to the base b equals c, then we can conclude that a equals b to the power of c, okay? And now I can apply this here as well. I mean, apply this to here, because here I can write 3 to the power of 1 equals this expression here, okay? And we know 3 to the power of 1 is 3, so I can simply write this as 2 times x squared plus 1 over x plus 2 equals 3. And from this, I can get, well, I can multiply each side of this equality to x plus 2, and that means we can get 2 times x squared plus 1 equals 3 times x plus 2. And if I distribute this 3 to the expression here, I would get 2 times x squared plus 1 equals 3 times x, or maybe I should write it like a bit more neat and clean. Okay, so this is the key to find the value for this logarithm. All right, so let's move to the next page. Here we have more space. So here we have, okay, we're working on this expression. We have 2 times x squared plus 1 equals 3 times x plus 6. In the next step, I'll take all we have here on the right side of this equality to the left. So we would have 2 times x squared plus 1 minus 3 times x minus 6 equals 0. And if I simplify this, I'll get 2 times x squared minus 3 times x minus 5 equals 0. And this is actually in the form of a quadratic equation, which is a times x squared plus b times x plus c equals 0. And here there are two potential or two possible answers for x, which are actually the root of this quadratic equation. And it says x, I mean, we are using quadratic formula, which says x can be minus b plus minus a square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c over 2 times a, okay? And we know that this is a, sorry, here, yeah, this is a, this minus 3 is b, and this minus 5 is c. So a is 2, b is minus 3, and c is minus 5. If I replace all these values here to this, we get x equals minus 3 is plus 3, plus minus a square root of minus 3 to the power of 2 is 9, minus 4 times a times c is actually 4 times 2 times minus 5, which is minus 4t. Okay, so minus 4t is plus 4t divided by 2 times a, which is 4. That means x is, Okay, so if we take this plus here, then it is 3 plus square root of 49 over 4, which is 10 over 4. And if we take this negative or this minus sign, then it is 3 minus square root of 49 over 4, which is minus 4 over 4, which is minus 1. Okay, now we know that x can be either minus 1 or x can be 10 over 4, and I need to validate this. Well, we know that the logarithm of a to the base of b is valid if a is larger than 0, if a is not negative, okay, and larger than 0. That means 2 times x minus 1 should be larger than 0, and that means x should be larger than 1 over 2. Okay, then this is not a valid answer for x. So I remove that, but this is perfectly fine. So I continue with this. I want to find the logarithm of 2 times x minus 1 to the base 8, where x is 10 over 4. Well, it means we are actually looking for logarithm of 2 times 10 over 4, which is 2 times, okay, 10 over 4 to the base 8. Well, 2 times 10 over 4 leave us with logarithm of, oh, sorry, well, there is a minus 1 here, I forgot that. Okay, so we have logarithm of 2 times 10 over 4 is 20 over 4 is 5, and 5 minus 1 is 4. So we have logarithm of 4 over 8. So this is actually logarithm of 4 to the base 8, and we know if this equals something like a, then we can say 4 equals 8 to the power of a. To find this, I will write 4 as 2 to the power of 2, and then 8 as 2 to the power of 3 to the power of a. This is saying that 2 to the power of 2 equals 2 to the power of 3 times a. And then we can say, okay, since the bases are the same, we can conclude that 3 times a equals 2. And this is telling us that a equals 2 over 3. Well, this is saying that actually this logarithm is 2 over 3, and this is the final answer.